Ready to move your business to the cloud? Migrating from QuickBooks Desktop to QuickBooks Online can feel like a big leap, but with the right plan, it's a smooth transition. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Don't just jump in. Start with a full backup of your desktop company file. This is your safety net. Then, use QuickBooks official migration tool. You will find it in your desktop software under the File menu. The tool will guide you through selecting what to bring over, like lists, transactions, and even attachments. After the upload, the real work begins. Review and verify. Check your balances, open invoices, and unpaid bills in QuickBooks Online against your desktop file. Pay special attention to your receivables and payables. My crucial pro tip: pick a quiet accounting period to make the switch. The end of a month or quarter is not ideal. Mid-period, when transaction volume is lower, gives you time to test and adjust without the pressure of closing the books. Once verified, run your business from QBO, but keep your desktop file and license active for a few months as a reference. What's your biggest concern about moving to the cloud? Data security, or learning a new system? Let me know. For more guides that simplify big changes, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.